Let's try to understand about the GPCR PLC pathway. In last time we have seen about the adenylate cyclase, but now we are seeing about the PLC, phospholipase in this condition. As we know very well, the plasma membrane has a GPCR receptor. This is completely made up of protein and it has N and C terminal. It also crossing the plasma membrane around 7 times. Whenever the ligand will come and attach on the GPCR receptor, it will activating the GEF activity at the C terminal region. So the GEF activity attach the GTP on the alpha subunit after activation, and beta and gamma will stay on the near to receptor, but alpha will move forward and it will attach with the PLC molecule. Here the phospholipase will get activated so that's why it will break the PIP2 molecule into the DAG and IP3 molecule. DAG is lipid soluble, so it will remain in the plasma membrane, but IP3 will move towards the ER. After it will move towards the ER, it will attach on the ER and make the channel. So the calcium will come from the inside to outside in the cytosol region. After calcium will come outside, it will attach with the calmodulin and CAMP kinase. So calcium, calmodulin and CAMP, they all are forming CCC complex, and it will do the phosphorylation of any protein. So the response gonna happen in the cytosol region, and remaining calcium will go into the another process activation. It will attach with the PKC and it will go towards the DAG. As we know, the DAG is attached on the plasma membrane. It will bind with the PS. They both will activate the PKC, means nothing but protein kinase C. So after activation of protein kinase C, it will do the phosphorylation of any protein. So the response gonna happen. What response they are doing? It could do the any response like sensory response gonna happen in this process. Later we will see about the background. In normal condition, in normal human beings, CGMP will make the GMP with the help of phosphodiesterase. But what Viagra will do? Viagra will block this all process, so the CGMP concentration will be remain high. Concentration will be high in the male body. So the signaling will gonna happen a lot. So vasodilation will happen. As we know very well, the contraction is nothing but narrow region of the blood vessels, but the dilation is the wider region of the blood vessels gonna happen in the pineal side. So the relaxation gonna happen, so the pineal erection gonna will happen in the body. So Viagra is responsible for the relaxation and vasodilation, also pineal erection.